in, essentially right away so I could fall asleep. And I kind of woke up and I took two off at 15:126. So, and or 15:126 and 15:124, I think is where I got filled on those. I marketed out of those. And then as soon as I marketed it out, it dropped like another 40 points. So I moved my SIP all the way down to 15,113. Kind of an arbitrary number, but it was just like, I'm going to go back to bed. If it hits me, it hits me. I'm not going to worry about it. I'll have locked in $3,000 in profit for the night.
Yeah.
And, I woke up and it never hit me, and I have this one contract running still. So I'm over on the night no matter what now.
Nice, nice, man.
With this one being so technically, I guess I'll have 300 points from the overnight session for, you know, which is crazy.
That's amazing. That's pretty cool.
And that's the thing about the overnight sessions is you really just got to pay attention to where those areas of high probability are. Because the overnight session can chop you up if you're not careful. But if you look for those high probability setups, like, hey, we were talking about, we're in a midterm downtrend. We've got, a possible ABCD forming. It's at least going to form an H out of this flag. So let me short this flag set up on the 30-minute. And then you just use your smaller time frame to nail that entry.
Yeah, that's actually what I looked at too. I looked at the 30-minute a little bit. I looked at the 15-minute more, and I was like, I thought that was forming the H at the time.
Yep.
Um, and that's why I ended up taking it, because I think it popped up to, if I remember, it popped up to like 15,190, and I saw it come down, and I was like, I think this is going to be the H. I think this will be the D leg all the way down that Brett was talking about, and that's why I took it. And I still like it. It could, I put in SIP pretty early. Like it could have came back and hit me. I understand that, but it's fun that it didn't.
That's amazing. Love to see it. Love it, love it, love it. Feels good, huh?
Fuck yeah.
And we're probably going to consolidate here for a little bit. A big exhausting move like that overnight. And we just formed a mid. We may be forming the west side of it right now. We've had a couple of bull bear harmonics happen right around here.
Hey,
So
you know what? This is our shoulder. Complete daily
yeah, it
shoulder.
is.
Did you guys see that?
Yeah, it still has some room. It still has some more room down on the
Let me
shoulder.
check my
I think I've got my neckline sitting at around 800.
chart. Check my trend line. How's touching it?
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I think to flatten that neckline out, we still have, what is that? Another 150 points down before it gets to the neck. I mean, this is what we said. This is
Yeah,
what I
yeah,
posted last night and Hype Beast to let those guys know. Hey, that harmonic that you're hoping plays out to the long. I'm watching a daily Head and Shoulders.
yeah. That's correct.
Yeah. So it would make sense if it consolidated here for a little while and then drop more.
Yeah,
Yeah, it would make perfect sense for it to consolidate around its neckline. Maybe even bounce a little bit because you are looking at a daily chart, right?
Okay, that's daily. Lou, is that a daily?
yeah. We still have like 120
Uh,
points there to finish the
yeah.
neck.
Right.
Yeah, and what'll probably happen is if you look at this on a daily, we're probably going to do an ABCD down on the daily if that plays
Yeah,
out,
yeah.
because that's how a head and shoulders should play out.
Makes sense.
Just gonna
And and the
play a
is
single on this.
and that's the broken hook that I talk about all the time. It's right here, guys. Like it's hooking to the upside yesterday and broke it. Right? We caught a big fish. That's what I always talk about. That's what it is, a broken hook.
I don't want to fish with a broken hook.
Exactly, right?
I don't
Keep trying, keep
want your
throwing
long
there
to
and
go
see
up.
what happens.
I don't want your long to go up too much higher, Doyle.
Oh,
Are you in 30 seconds following this or in 5 minutes?
me, I'm
No,
looking
no,
at
Roger.
this. I'm
On
looking at.
Roger on his thing. Follow with
I was looking
five
at it, but
minutes or so.
I was looking at 5 minute, but I moved it all the way down to guarantee myself 200 points. So it'll probably get hit here, but it was a goal of mine after I had a over 100 point trade to actually hold a contract that long. I said, well, the next stop would be 200 points,
Nice.
and
Yeah,
so if I get hit now, I'm totally fine with it. But
you
it'll
happy.
be a 200 point.
Perfect.
Yeah,
I mean, we routinely catch these 50-point moves, which people think are just unheard of. It's fantastic when we're able to grab these 200-point moves that people just don't believe ever happen.
I know. I'll post the. I'm on my cell phone right now. I should probably log into the computer, but my my laptop at home, I don't even have Discord on it. I don't think so.
I don't know. It's worth memorializing if you can capture an image of where your stop is and where price currently is. You know, that's one of those trades that you park to the side and study because that's one you want to repeat.
Absolutely.
I mean, my internet
Yeah, two trades you
slow.
really want to study is those trades that you kind of killed it and those trades that kill you. Both of those are worth really studying.
And I'm gonna reset